Have you been asking, why would I apply essential oils topically? When would I do that? And where would I apply them? In this video, I'm going to answer those questions. Hi, I'm Lori Funderburk, an essential oil user and educator. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free Essential Oils Made Easy guide. All you got to do is click the description below to find that link. Go ahead and put in your email address, and that guide will be in your box in no time. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a single episode. Now, let's get to the questions. Why would I use essential oils topically? Topical application of essential oils is a popular and time-tested model. However, using essential oils on your skin can be a bit more complicated than applying your regular body lotion. In general, you apply essential oils where you need them for their localized effect. Remember, never apply essential oils to the eyes, nostrils, or inside the ears. When applying an essential oil topically, you need to determine if it needs to be diluted. All doTERRA essential oils and blends are classified in 3 categories: neat, dilute, and sensitive. Neat means that no dilution is necessary. Dilute means that it should always be diluted for everyone, and sensitive means it should be diluted for sensitive groups, including young or sensitive skin. Remember that diluting an essential oil does not make it less effective. The potency of oils means that you should not use them in sensitive areas, but there are many areas that they can be used safely. If you're needing help with your complexion, you can apply essential oils right to your face. If you're experiencing head tension, try applying essential oils to your forehead, neck, or temples. Need emotional and mood support? Apply essential oils to the base of the skull. Tummy troubles? Apply right on the abdomen. Got a little stuffiness in your chest? Applying essential oils right on your chest is a good way to clear your breathing. And for whole body effects, apply to the soles of your feet. Having a reaction to an oil is rare, but it does happen. Keep fractionated coconut oil handy to immediately reduce the effects should a reaction occur. Now, certain essential oils, particularly citrus oils, can be photosensitive oils or oils that make your skin more sensitive to UV radiation and sunburn. For up to 12 hours after applying these oils, avoid any exposure to direct sunlight or artificial UV rays. Special caution should also be taken with any of the oils that are considered hot, like cinnamon, clove, and oregano. Always dilute those oils. Now you know exactly why, how, and where to apply your essential oils topically to help you take control of your family's health naturally. Bye-bye.